How to fix Diablo Immortal not working and loading on Windows 11. 1. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. Note, you may need to update. Your DirectX and Microsoft Visual C++ 2. Update your GPU drivers using recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Running your game with administrative privileges. Like this. 4. Verifying the integrity of game files in Battle.net Launcher. 5. Install any updates for the game. 6. Check your background processes via Windows Clean Boot.